If you use Jira every day for project tracking, then keeping your account secure is non-negotiable. And one of the simplest but most important steps is updating your password regularly. So in this video, I'll walk you through a foolproof and updated guide on how to change your Jira password quickly and safely. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any critical security tips. Let's get started. Changing your Jira password is essential, especially if you're doing a routine security refresh or suspect unusual activity on your account. The process is simple, but knowing where to find the right settings saves you a lot of time. First, open your browser and log into your Jira account. Once you're inside, head to the Your Work section. This is your personal workspace where your recent tasks and activity appear. Now, look to the top right corner of your Jira screen. You'll see your profile icon. It may show your initials or your profile picture. Go ahead and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Manage Account. This will take you to your main Atlassian account settings. Next, click on the Security tab. This is where you control everything related to your password and two-factor authentication. Before you can make any changes, Jira will first verify your identity. You'll be asked to enter your current password. If you don't remember it, no worries. Just use the password recovery option, and Jira will send a reset link to your registered email or phone once verified. You'll now be able to create your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Type your new password and then re-enter it in the confirmation field to avoid any mistakes. Now, click Save Changes. If both entries match, your new password will be applied instantly. If not, Jira will alert you to correct your entries before proceeding, and you're done. Before wrapping up, here's one quick reminder. Keep your new password secure. Don't write it down in public places, don't share it with anyone, and stay alert for phishing emails pretending to be from Atlassian. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech how-tos, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other Jira features. See you in the next one.